Hey everybody. Yeah, I'm just showing WhisperWin today. And WhisperWin is the software I created, and it really helps you just transcribe your text to video. So I guess let's just get started. How it's activated is you use a short key, Ctrl+Shift space bar, Ctrl+Shift+Space, and that triggers it. You should hear a sound like a beep sound that triggers the start of you speaking. The default is set right now to about 60 seconds. You can change that just by going to the icon. Once you start the app, you can see the icon in your menu, and then you can right click on it and just set a different duration. So you can make it as long as you want. But obviously, the longer it is, the more time it takes to transcribe to text. So let's try something simple. Hey, I really would love to create a description for my software. It's called WhisperWin, and essentially it really helps you transcribe your voice to text. So what I just did was I pressed the hotkey, I heard the sound, and oh, and you can see as I'm explaining it to you, the way it works is that wherever your cursor is, that's where it inserts the text. So wherever your cursor is, that's where it inserts the text. It's really nice because you can use it in any application on your laptop, and you don't even need to be online for it to work. So I don't know if you know what I'm doing here. I'm actually talking and like I'm recording it and also sharing on the video at the same time. So it might be a bit confusing. Okay. So the one thing to note with the app is that it actually isn't 100% great. If we did have an OpenAI integration, it would be that much more accurate because lots of money has been poured into OpenAI, but it's actually not super great, but it works very well to give you a starting point for all of your voice to text needs. I just recorded that as well, and okay. So honestly, it's pretty simple. It's a simple app. If you just wanted to take short bursts recording your voice, especially doing something with ChatGPT here, where I need to, one of the biggest use cases I've found is I'm trying to maybe do something with ChatGPT, but we keep having to do very short prompts because it sucks typing, right? Now with this app, I just open this, give a whole brain dump of what I want, and it transcribes it. And I don't even have to fix it because ChatGPT is so strong in inferring and understanding what you want to do with each thing. Anyway, sorry for the long video. It's a simple app, and I hope you guys enjoy.